An MWP file is a Lotus Word Pro SmartMaster template, pre-formatted document layouts and styles from IBM's legacy word processing platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open or convert these legacy template files. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful MWP file inspection tool. MWP files are SmartMaster template files for Lotus Word Pro, a discontinued word processor from IBM Lotus. They contain pre-designed page layouts, paragraph styles, headers, footers, and formatting definitions used as starting points for creating new documents in Lotus Word Pro. Lotus MWP files use a proprietary binary format, storing document structure data, including style definitions, page layout specifications, master page elements, and formatting instructions. They are part of the Lotus SmartSuite discontinued application family. Windows registers the MWP file as an opener for Lotus Word Pro, developed by IBM. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows can present the content, but editing styles, layout, or graphics requires specialized programs. Begin the compatibility check by right-clicking your MWP file and selecting Open With. Use Lotus Word Pro if it's an option. If not, test any other program in the list. Keep testing until the MWP file opens. If you still can't open the MWP file, it's okay. Because the MWP format is proprietary, simple misconfigurations are common. We need to verify these crucial technical details using our checklist. First, opening the file. Install Lotus Word Pro from legacy Lotus SmartSuite media, or use LibreOffice Writer, which includes a Lotus Word Pro import filter. Open LibreOffice and use File, then open to browse to your MWP file for conversion and viewing with basic formatting preserved. Next, converting to modern formats. After opening the MWP file in LibreOffice, Writer use File, then Save, as to convert it to DOSX ODT or PDF format. Review the converted document for formatting accuracy, as some Lotus-specific layout features may not translate perfectly to modern document formats. Finally, extracting template styles. If you need to recreate the template in Microsoft Word, open the MWP file in LibreOffice and note the Paragraph Styles page, Dimensions and Layout Properties. Manually recreate the template structure in Word using the Observe formatting as a guide for your new template. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.